a clean start there, and the crowd absolutely loving these 50-metre dashes. And at the early stage of the race, it is Huang Wenhan, who, as expected, will be challenging for the gold medal in this event. He's taken the early lead, and he's extending that lead at the 25-metre mark. Beautiful, relaxed, long stroke. Slowish tempo, but because he's getting such length in his stroke, he's getting excellent catch, pulling through. And he is easing in front. He's going to do it easily in this heat and really set a mark to beat. So Chinese Huang will touch in first. He's ahead of world record time, would you believe? What a great achievement in heat 2. So Huang Wenhan will go through in world record time, showing he is the athlete to beat and sending such a strong message to the Ukrainian. So we have, what you can hear is a huge cheer for the two remaining athletes, and of course that is Tronco from Mexico, touching in 6th position. And we still have one athlete to go. It's Nasolowski, 31 years of age. The crowd willing him to touch in at the finish line, and what fantastic support he's receiving here. Well, the crowd are on their feet here at the Olympic Aquatic Stadium. It's been such incredible support from the Brazilian crowd. An acknowledgement there from Nasolowski. Thanking the crowd, just swaying back on his back. The winner, Huang Wenhan, 40.51 is the new world record he set just in the heat. So you do have to remember what he might be capable of in the final. Look as though he wasn't even extending himself, such as that beautiful long like a
Gideon Nasolowski starting closest to your screen, and while he finished in a 1:38.21, he's known as the amphibian Namibian. The man who served as the chair of the Namibian Federation in Sable. But the focus is very much on Huang Wenhan, and why not? The world record in the preliminaries for Huang Wenhan, and beating out the favorite for the gold, Dmytro Vinohradets. Not only is he a multiple Paralympic champion, but Vinohradets has also won this event at the World Championships for the last